What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a compound clip on Filmora 14. So the first thing that you need to do is to have two videos that you want to merge together. I have these two, as you can see. Now to merge them together into a compound clip, all you have to do is to select them. You can either click and drag it over them, or you can select it by pressing Ctrl and select each one. Then what you want to do is to right click on them. And as you can see, you have the option right here to create a compound clip. Also, you can press on keyboard Alt plus G at the same time. So let's create a compound clip. Now you have to give it a name. I will let it this way. Then you're going to click on OK. And as you can see now, you have a compound clip. To access the videos from your compound clip, all you have to do is to double click on the compound clip, like so. And as you can see now, we can edit the videos from our compound clip. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.